In this last module, we review the key takeaways of this course on citywide inclusive sanitation. In the past 3 weeks, we've showed how to overcome the common challenges found in poorly managed environmental sanitation and how to address rapid urban growth, lack of inclusiveness of current sanitation programs, and the entire sanitation service chain. In this course, we've shown how to move from badly managed systems, where human waste is dumped indiscriminately into open canals and drains, to inclusive and improved service coverage that leaves no one behind. We've addressed issues like sector governance, institutional arrangements, and the regulatory environment, new thinking in urban sanitation planning and programming, and possible infrastructure upgrade. In part 1, we introduced the main concepts of urban sanitation and presented state-of-the-art tools for urban diagnostics. You've learned the importance of using evidence-based thinking and approaches. In part 2, you learned about carrying out sanitation interventions in complex urban environments. You've explored the ways of getting the various types of stakeholders on board and how to create positive conditions to help resolve institutional, regulatory, and financial challenges. And finally, in part 3, we dedicated to the technical aspects of the sanitation service chain. We provided an overview of sanitation systems and technologies and solutions for different contexts. We have covered the range of possible solutions across the entire sanitation chain, from conventional sewer systems to on-site FSM solutions and novel container-based sanitation solutions. CWIS does not follow a one-size-fits-all sanitation agenda. Rather, a mix of different systems and solutions is suggested, depending on the context and the enabling environment. This includes sewers and off-site treatment, on-site decentralized solutions, or FSM with off-site treatment. As we have shown, moving towards inclusive sanitation requires establishing a more effective enabling environment at national, local, and community levels. This encompasses the policies, institutional arrangements, regulations, laws, and associated capacity development that cater for robust and joined-up services. We have demonstrated the evidence and tools that can be used to support the stakeholder engagement and project development process. We have proposed a number of tools and approaches that allow you as a consultant to come up with solutions that provide the optimal technical and service option and cater for enabling environment. During this online course, we've covered these learning goals: how to select and use appropriate evidence-based diagnostic, decision-making, and planning tools for inclusive urban sanitation project design, defining the main elements of appropriate institutional and regulatory frameworks, explaining why behavior change communication, community engagement, and gender-aware approaches are required for effective, sustainable sanitation services. Accessing and using appropriate tools and guidance for making initial assessments of sewered and non-sewered sanitation technology options. How to identify at a preliminary level delivery models which may be suitable for a given technology mix. And finally, recognizing the importance of stakeholder motivation in delivering successful, inclusive urban sanitation. We have now reached the end of this 3-part online course. We'd now like to encourage you to answer the following questions to test your skills on citywide inclusive sanitation. Have fun.